The Doorbell Ring by Pat Hutchins. I made some cookies for tea, said Mama. Good, said Victoria and Sam. We're starving. We're starving. Share them between yourselves, said Mama. I made plenty. That's six each, said Sam and Victoria. They look as good as Grandma's, said Victoria. They smell as good as Grandma's, said Sam. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Mama, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong! It was Tom and Hannah from next door. Come in, said Mama. You can share the cookies. That's free each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Tom. And look as good, said Hannah. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Mama, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong! It was Peter and his little brother. Come in, said Mama. You can share the cookies. That's two each, said Victoria and Sam. They look as good as your grandma's, said. They look as good as your grandma's, said Peter, and smell as good. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma. Nobody makes cookies like Grandma, said Mama, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong! It was Joy and Simon with their four cousins. Come in, said Mama. You can share the cookies. That's one each, said Sam and Victoria. They smell as good as your grandma's, said Joy. And it looks good, said Simon. No one makes cookies like Grandma, said Mama, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong! And rang. Oh dear, said Mama, as the children shared at the cookies on their plates. Perhaps you'd better eat them before we open the door. We'll wait, said Sam. It was Grandma with an enormous tray of cookies. How nice to have so many friends to share them with, said Grandma. It was a good thing I made a lot. And no one makes cookies like Grandma, said Mama, as the doorbell rang. Ding dong! The end. Well, that's all for today. For the bringing the new famous book, The Doorbell Ring, based on the book by Pat Hutchins. And thank you for so please describe your type of book. Thank you.